Hello and welcome to Tookan, a brand by Jungleworks. Today we have again an exciting topic. It is about green delivery. So how are eco-friendly vehicles changing the last mile game? Stay with us to find out how green vehicles are revolutionizing the delivery world. Imagine a world where your packages arrive without polluting the air or adding to traffic jams. That's the promise of green delivery. But what exactly means green delivery? So basically it's about using eco-friendly vehicles like bicycles, electric cars or drones instead of traditional diesel or gasoline trucks. But it's not just about vehicles, it's also about optimizing delivery routes and using renewable energy for charging. The goal is to reduce carbon emissions, save energies and promote sustainability. By adopting green delivery, companies can lower their carbon footprint and help to create healthier and cleaner cities. Now let's take a look about the current state of delivery. Most deliveries today use regular trucks that run on gasoline or diesel. This causes some serious problems. These trucks release a lot of CO2 and other harmful gases which pollute the air and contribute to climate change. They also make traffic worse and create a lot of noise in busy cities. Plus, the cost of fuel and maintenance can be very high for delivery companies. Air pollution from these vehicles can cause serious health issues like breathing problems. Eco-friendly delivery vehicles come with a lot of benefits. They reduce CO2 emissions and are much cheaper in the long run. For example, they have lower fuel costs and require less maintenance. They also make the air cleaner and reduce noise in cities. This is crucial for improving the quality of life for everyone living here. So how is Tookan changing the game when it comes to eco-friendly vehicles? Our software optimizes your delivery routes, reduces costs, and easily integrates eco-friendly vehicle fleets.
With real-time tracking, you can see exactly where your deliveries are at any moment. Smart route planning helps reduce travel distance and time, saving fuel and lowering emissions. Tookan also provides detailed analytics so you can see how much you are saving and where you can improve.
The future of green logistics looks bright. With advancing technologies, we can accept even better eco-friendly vehicles like longer-lasting batteries and more efficient designs. Governments are also pushing green delivery methods with new regulations and incentives. In some cities, there are already low-emission zones where just green vehicles can operate. This is just the beginning. We accept many more exciting developments in the near future. So why should companies switch to green delivery methods? It's not only good for the environment, but also makes economic sense. Eco-friendly vehicles can save money on fuel and maintenance, and they can also improve your company's image. Customers are becoming more aware to environmental issues and prefer companies that make an effort to sustainability. Thank you for taking time to learn about green delivery and the future of logistics. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Visit our website to learn more about Tookan and our solutions. Thank you and see you next time.